It's easy to create a new case type using a previous scan with the iTero intraoral scanner. Let's get started. Open the patient's page from the patient icon on the home screen. Cases are available on the scanner for up to 21 days. Select Add RX. The patient RX will auto-populate the patient's name. Next, choose your new case type. In this demonstration, we will use an existing iRecord scan and add the Invisalign case type. Review the scan and add scans as needed. This feature essentially creates a copy of the existing case as a new case type. The system will alert you to areas of missing anatomy with a red color in monochrome mode and purple color in color mode. When you are finished scanning, tap the View icon to view your model in high resolution. When the model is complete, tap the Envelope icon to send the case.